Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my full star immersion blender. I've always wanted an immersion blender, and as soon as this arrived, I was so excited to try it. This full star immersion blender is a 3-in-1 handheld electric hand blender with 9 different speeds. I really like that it is multifunctional and I can use it for different purposes. It has 3 different attachments that can be used either for blending or if you want to do some whisking or even frothing as well. I also especially love the pan protector that comes with it as well. This gives me peace of mind when using the blender in a pot so I don't scratch the bottom or the sides of my pot. I happened to be making some sauce, and that was the perfect time for me to test out my new immersion blender. To use it, I simply plug it into the wall, turn it on, and let the blender do its thing. This particular sauce has some chunks in it, so it was great to be able to use the blender to smoothen out the sauce without having to pour the entire sauce into an actual blender to smoothen it out. I haven't tried the whisk or the frother option yet, but I'm looking forward to testing those features soon as well. If you are looking for a multi-purpose handheld immersion blender that also includes a pan protector so it doesn't go and scratch your pan, then be sure to take a look at this as well.